So welcome back to another Daily Strike chapter. This is Ayush Gehlot and let's get into the Daily Strike. So today is becoming an expert in what matters. So the quote goes around like this. Believe in, it's better to produce the balance sheet of your own life than that of a grain market. Grain market. Seneca on the brevity of life 18.3b. जो अपन ने पढ़ा है ना डेली स्ट्राइक के अंदर, लर्न व्हाट, कंट्रोल, ऑलवेज फोकस ऑन कि आपके हाथ में क्या कंट्रोल है, ऑलवेज बी फोकस्ड ऑन दैट. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो लिंक टू इट कि बी एक्सपर्ट इन व्हाट मैटर्स. बट द क्वेश्चन गोज अराउंड how to define what matters. Is it what matters to you, or is it what is relevant today? So the answer is very simple. What matters to you. It really doesn't matter market में क्या चल रहा है. What matters to you, what makes you happy is what takes you forward. The thing that people manage to be expert in okay, I'll be back. So, becoming an expert in what matters is not what something that really matters to you, but it is कि by the end of your life, you become an expert in something that really value the people around you, that really makes their life more valuable, or makes their life more purposeful. उसमें एक लाइन लिखी हुई थी अभी, I read that context below it, कि by the end of time, by the end of the planet, you should have expertise in the matter of living or dying. You should have a expertise in telling your children ki what happiness, how can we achieve happiness, and how can we get a meaning in our life. Your expertise in politics for over 30 years won't do anything good to them. Be expert in things that really matter in life. And speaking of me, what I really consider to be expert in would be to learn people. Would be in the sense कि managing people. I'm in college and मैं कॉलेज में हूँ. I've realized कि यहाँ पे भांति भांति के लोग हैं and हर एक इंसान का अलग नेचर होता है. To tackle that person according to that his nature can be really resourceful to you and to the community. It's like, ऐसा मेरे को लगता है. बिकॉज आप किसी को बता सकते हो कि आपको ये करना चाहिए, आप ये कर सकते हो. आई हैव सीन क्वाइट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन कॉलेज जिनका मूड अटका हुआ होता है. दे आर रियली सैड, एंड मैं भी सैड होता हूँ. मैं भी कैंपस में घूम रहा होता हूँ, एंड ऑल आई वॉन्ट इज समबडी कम एंड नॉक मी अप. हेलो आयुष, तू उदास क्यों है, इतना परेशान क्यों है. So that is the expertise that I really want to learn in my life, to understand people and to help them to give a solution or to listen to them. That's what I feel. Human, देखो, humanity is a very big thing. We live around people, we live around humans. If you understand humanity, you understand how to get through in life. बहुत ज्यादा बोल रहा हूँ यार मैं अब. कहने का मतलब ये है कि इंसानियत हर जगह काम करती है. आप कैसी भी सिचुएशन में हो, अगर आप इंसानियत का यूज करोगे कि इस जगह पे अगर इंसानियत लगाई जाए, इंसानियत मतलब अगर कोई 1-to-1 ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन के हिसाब से 1-to-1 सिंपैथेटिकल चीजें सोच के कि अगर मैं इसकी जगह होता तो मैं क्या करता, तो यू विल गेट थ्रू एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट. You won't do anything wrong in that sense. Okay, bye bye. Let's end this. 6 मिनट का वीडियो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. Okay, bye bye. Today was 14th of April. Okay, bye bye.